our daily use of cars, we all make mistakes, but good drivers are able to correct their mistakes.
ABS gives you the opportunity to steer while braking maximum. Our customers are often surprised because that's something you never can practice, or should not practice in real-life traffic.
In some of the driving courses, we have most tests with different cars. It's an advanced maneuver when you very fast go from one lane to another lane to avoid to hit something. And it's quite a tough test, and it tells you something about the dynamic in the car and how well it can handle it. It's supposed to be easy for the driver. The driver should be focused on how to solve the problem. In Sweden, mooses are quite common. I think the moose test was invented in Sweden, actually, by motoring journalists, and has become a standard when you test new cars today.
A G-turn is only a thing we do to show off and show that we have car control. And we never use G-turns in our courses.
It's all about control.
In a situation where you have an obstacle in front of you, a good driver will turn left or right if he is noticing that he is not able to stop, instead of brake into the obstacle without turning.
Welcome to VOLVO Cars Driving Academy.